Hey guys, Eric and Peaches here, Peachtree Classic Cars with video number 2. We're going to take this 2015 Factory 5 Shelby Cobra Replica for a drive. When we turn the keys on, we'll see all the gauges pop right up. Radio turns on.
Years in Spalding County and in Upson County.
And I believe actually that has Bluetooth on it, but I can't say for sure. I know it's got auxiliary, so you could put a cell phone plug into it. Anyways, fuel injected 5.0. Tachometer. So actually too, this got turn signals here actually on a little button. Of course, the original car wouldn't have had turn signals. It would have just been a race car. So those are on and off. Then we have lights over here. Turn those on. I don't know where the bright switch is. That is too funny. Maybe on the floor. Horn works on the button. Yeah, let's go for a quick drive and hopefully you're going to be able to hold on while we drive. E-brake off. First cranked this thing up in the garage, it just sounded so loud, but now that we're outside, I mean, it's definitely a louder car, but for a mid-60s model sports car, I mean, this is what you want, fast and loud. That being said, as we cruise, maybe a little bit loud on the camera, but what I was noticing earlier, just giving it a cruise around 55 or so, actually was not as loud exhaust-wise as I thought it was. It was comfortable. Get up and go. Drives perfect. It's got power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, easily cruises. So right now we're doing 80, 5th gear, actually pretty quiet. I'm going to slow down a little, I don't want to get pulled over. I don't know how that's going to sound on the camera, but we're talking to Peaches right now. 65 miles an hour in 5th gear. Nice mellow tone out of the engine. Beautiful road to cruise on. On that 5th gear, I'm not sure if that's going to be able to tell that or not. Brakes great. Man. Awesome car. This thing's amazing. Goes our motorcycle friends. So there you have it. This thing's unbelievable. This is ready to drive. I wish I could buy it and keep it. So having a great time here at Peachtree Classic Cars. We'll look forward to hearing from you guys.